That sound, it's the sound of a quick, easy meal. But what you can't hear are the microscopic particles of plastic and chemicals that could be leaching into your food with every degree of heat. For years, we've had to choose between convenience and health. But that changes right now. A new wave of all-glass, non-toxic air fryers is here. We hunted them down and put them to the test. We're revealing the top 5 machines that give you perfectly crispy food, with absolute peace of mind. Let's get into the future of healthy frying. Starting at number 1. Boswell Glass Air Fryer. Best non-toxic glass air fryer for 2 people. Right after Big Boss, this is the second best non-toxic glass air fryer without PTFE or PFOA in 2025. I really don't understand why there isn't much hype around Boswell. Right off the bat, the transparent glass body makes this air fryer stand out. For more, watching your food crisp up in real time is both practical and oddly satisfying. There is no need to open the lid or lose heat. I always just glance through the glass to monitor doneness. It's especially helpful if you're cooking something delicate or trying not to overdo it. This PFAS-free air fryer features 5 one-touch presets: chicken, steak, fries, baked goods, seafood, so it's very user-friendly right out of the box. I tested it head-to-head against my small convection oven, roasting chicken wings at 400 degrees Fahrenheit in both. No contest. The Boswell delivered wings with perfectly golden, crunchy skin, while the oven left them pale and underwhelming. That 360 degrees hot air circulation system really does the job. It also heats up fast. I was impressed by how quickly it reached temp, and unlike some models I've used, the Boswell lets you manually adjust the temperature in time, up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in 60 minutes, so you can really dial things in for anything from slow-roasted veggies to flash-fried tofu cubes. Number 2. Ninja Crispi Glass Air Fryer. PFAS-free glass air fryer with the most programs. The Ninja Crispi all-in-one system is a truly unique find, and an easy favorite for portable, PFAS-free cooking. It's a cleverly designed system that gives you multiple container sizes, the real glass you can see through while cooking, and a surprisingly compact base unit called the Crispi Power Pod. Instead of the typical black plastic basket, you get high-grade borosilicate glass containers, 1 6-cup for small meals and 1 4-quart for family dinners. I absolutely love being able to see my food crisp up without lifting the lid. That transparency added a whole new layer to my air frying. And just like Big Boss and Boswell, it also made it easier to know exactly when something was done. What really impressed me was the easy storage system. Air fryers tend to be super bulky for my small countertops. But everything inside Ninja Crispi stacks and nests together, so it doesn't take over my kitchen. Cleanup was a breeze since the containers, crisper plates, and adapters are all dishwasher safe. I'm someone who air fries several times a week, and this was hands down the easiest to clean air fryer I've ever used. As far as performance, it did everything I wanted: perfectly crispy fries, tender roasted veggies, cheesy little pizzas, even grilled sandwiches. The ceramic-coated crisper plates reassured me that I wasn't exposing my family to PFAS or mystery coatings. And since it only uses 1,000 watts, I'm already planning to take it along in the RV for low-power cooking on the road. Number 3. Fertter Glass Air Fryer with Rotisserie. Best self-cleaning glass air fryer without Teflon. The Fertter air fryer is one of the most display-worthy non-toxic glass air fryers with rotisserie I've tested. Again, as someone who prefers non-toxic cookware and loves seeing my food as it cooks, the ability to monitor everything without opening the lid was a big plus. Fertter promises a self-cleaning function, and I was honestly skeptical, but it works. I followed the instructions and added a bit of dish soap and water, hit the clean mode, and let it go. That said, I didn't even need it most of the time. The glass bowl was simple to wipe down, and most food residues came off easily unless I used the rotisserie basket to cook my veggies and fish. More on that in a second. The bowl and lid inserts are all dishwasher safe, and I appreciated that convenience. Cooking-wise, the 1,500-watt convection power and 400 degrees Fahrenheit vortex heat delivered some of the crispiest results I've had. Especially for homemade fries and breaded cauliflower. The temperature control dial gives me more precision than the Ninja Crispi, which was a welcome bonus. I cooked everything from roasted veggies to juicy chicken breasts, and it always felt intuitive and evenly heated. This PFAS-free air fryer comes with 6-in-1 functions, and I tested most of them: bake, air fry, roast, reheat, you name it. Number 4. NutriChef Glass Air Fryer Convection Oven. Best non-toxic glass air fryer convection oven. If you've ever wished your oven cooked faster, healthier, and cleaner, then you're going to like what the NutriChef glass convection oven brings to the table. This is NutriChef's appliance, in my opinion. It holds up to 18 quarts of food in a wide glass bowl, perfect for prepping family-sized meals without heating the whole kitchen. Despite the large capacity, the NutriChef is still countertop friendly. Even for my small apartment, it didn't take much space on the countertop. I found the setup refreshingly simple. Just rotary dials for time and temperature, 2 wire racks, and a set of tongs for easy serving. The clear glass body is a nice bonus. You can watch your food cook without having to open the lid and lose heat. Performance-wise, this cooker really shines. I roasted a batch of organic chicken drumsticks at 480 degrees Fahrenheit for about 55 minutes, flipping them halfway. The result? Super crispy skin with golden, bubbling fat collecting at the bottom. The high heat paired with that built-in convection fan makes a huge difference. It circulates hot air evenly and cooks way faster than my regular oven. Number 5. Midea Flexify Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. If you're looking for a spacious, PFAS-free air fryer toaster oven that looks as good as it performs, the Midea Flexify is a fantastic choice. I've been testing this unit over the past several months, and it's clear this model punches above its weight in value, versatility, and non-toxic performance. What immediately stood out to me was the design. The French doors open smoothly with one hand, giving me easy access to a surprisingly roomy interior. At just over 16 inches wide, it fits comfortably under most cabinets, but inside it's big enough to roast a full chicken, bake a 12-inch pizza, or layer multiple foods at once. The stainless steel air fryer interior and accessories are thoughtfully designed for durability and easy cleaning. Plus, the brand confirmed with me directly that this model is completely free from PFAS, PFOA, and PTFE. The 10 cooking functions cover everything from air frying and baking to dehydrating and reheating. I've personally made steaks, lasagna, garlic bread, brownies, burgers, toast, and even lobster in this machine, and the results have consistently impressed me. The heat-up time is fast, and the 1800-watt power ensures crisp edges and juicy centers. One function I especially love is pizza. The crust turns golden without burning, and the cheese melts perfectly. Controls are intuitive, the digital screen is easy to read, and adjusting time and temperature is straightforward. You get multiple cooking levels, and the Flexify comes with a wire rack, air fryer basket, and baking sheet. So there you have it. You truly can have it all: convenience, crispy food, and a completely non-toxic kitchen. No more compromises. Ready to make the healthy switch? We've done all the research for you. All the links to every glass air fryer we recommend, plus any available discounts we could find, are in the video description down below. If this video brought you peace of mind or finally answered your questions, please give it a like and share it with a friend or family member. Everyone deserves to know about this.